Hello traders, Rich here and welcome to Bitcoin on a Minute Day 38. As usual, if you guys like the series, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's do it. As mentioned yesterday, Bitcoin is still overall bullish from a medium-term perspective, so we are still expecting a movement to the 2830K resistance zone, which is the intersection of the upper blue trend line of the channel that's engulfing the overall movement downward, and also the supply zone as we had an aggressive movement down from it, and the 30K, which has been acting as support previously, broken downward, now a resistance. So we're expecting a rejection from this area for the next bearish impulse movement to start. So now, yes, we are bullish from a medium term perspective, but of course it would be just a correction inside this big bearish trend, just like previously a correction, the next impulse. We are currently in this correction, of course, unless we see an aggressive break above this channel to invalidate it, then we can say that now we are bullish from a longer term perspective. For now, let's take it step by step. And as mentioned yesterday, we'll be waiting for Bitcoin to approach the lower band because we are bullish from a medium term perspective. Price is making higher highs and higher lows trading inside these two channels, and the red one is steep, following the price action more, right? So anyway, this entire area is a support zone as it's the intersection of the previous highs broken outward of which is the range from daily time frame, retesting it. Now we also got a demand zone right here as we had an aggressive movement upward, the lower trend line in red and the lower trend line in green. So this entire zone is a good support zone. Of course, unless we see a new swing a low here and break it downward, break below these lows. That's why you see my alerts here. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got alerts here that if we break below this area, then it wouldn't be good. It would like the impulse movement would start from now, and we'll be expecting further movement downward. Of course, for now, but bullish from a medium-term perspective, looking for bust ups from a short-term perspective, which we can zoom into lower time frames to see it and 30. So the bears took over here and the correction movement started. The correction of what? The correction of this big channel. So correction, bearish movement, correction, bearish movement, and we are currently here waiting for the next impulse movement to start, just like here and here as well. So let me delete the previous drawings. If we zoom in, that's it, right? So now the bears took over from a short-term perspective. We are currently in a correction phase trading inside this channel. And for the bulls to take over, for the correction movement to start, we'll be waiting for this to happen. We might have one swing high only, or price can still go further down. That's the lower bounds, form a new high. So this or this, right? We can't, trading is reactive and not predictive. What we know is we are bullish from a medium term perspective. We are looking for a trend following setup because we are still expecting a movement to the upper resistance as I showed you from daily time frame. Meanwhile, until the buyers take over here to start the next impulse, the bears are still in control from a short-term perspective, and they can still push the price lower and lower until the bulls take over by breaking above the last major high, of course, from M30. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.